Hi friends, it's another edition of Learning with Mrs. Malm. Today's topic is all about sight words. So far, you should have gotten at home a packet of pink sight words, a list of 10 words that your child is going to be learning over the next few weeks and at their own speed. So I just wanted to give you a few ideas of things you can do at home to support your child in learning their sight words. First of all, sight words, also known as high-frequency words, are words that kids need to know just by looking at them. They're words that don't follow the phonics rules. They are words that come up, probably 75% of words in early readers or emergent readers are sight words. So in knowing them in a snap, your kids will build confidence as they read their early reader books. A lot of practice that you should be doing at home should be fun, not just rote memorization of the flashcards, but things that you can do that are more hands-on that the kids will enjoy. So I'm going to give you some examples of ideas for practicing at home. You can take a tray or a pencil box, put some colored sand or salt at the bottom of the tray, and the kids can write with their finger the sight word, or also the end of a pencil. They can write the word within the sand itself or the salt. Shake it up and then do the next word and say the word as they're spelling it out. You can also take the word written on a large piece of paper, so you can take small manipulatives like tiny rocks or pom-poms or marshmallows, and the kids can place them on the letter to spell it out. That also works on their fine motor movements in their fingers. You could also use a tweezer that they can grab them with to place them on the letter. They could glue the pom-poms on. They could glue the marshmallows on, just to give a little more dexterity in their fingers and also practicing and saying their sight word as they spell it. We also can use, for fine motor, miniature stickers. The kids can take them off and place them on the letters, one right after the other as they spell it, A-N-D, and place them around the letter as they're going, so they'll make the whole letter and spell it and say the word. And they can also do that with stamps as well. You can have them stamp the word. There's alphabet stampers that are like markers with a little stamp at the end. These ones are Rose Art, and they come in all 26 alphabet letters. You can have miniature stamps and larger letter stamps that the kids can stamp out their words, just to mix it up and have some fun. You can also take pipe cleaners and have them form the letters, so making the, so they'd make the T, then the H. Another product called Wiki Sticks are wax strings that the kids can form, so they could make it into an H and make the letters that way with the Wiki Sticks. If you want something more kinesthetic, so they're moving, you could write the sight word on the paper plate, tape it up on a wall. The kids can take a softball or any kind of soft item that they could throw at the plate on the wall, and you could have like 5 or 6 up to 10 sight words taped on the wall, and they're going to throw the item at the words. Whichever one it hits, they have to say and spell that word. They could spell the words with magnetic letters. If you haven't used daubers before, they're like kind of painting art. The kids, you could write the word on a piece of paper, like C. They can daub around the letter S-E-E, and it's almost like painting through little dots. Another hands-on item that they could do to make it more fun, you could have a piece of styrofoam or an old box. You can write the letters and words on top of the box. So here I have the, I, and C. And you could take a play hammer or a soft mallet and golf tees, and the kids will say the word I and tap the T in. The, T-H-E. Tap it into the box or the styrofoam. And, A-N-D. So then they go around and it's like hammering it into styrofoam or old boxes. Those are some ideas for you to practice at home. Remember, make practice fun and enjoy learning sight words throughout the year. Your kids can move at their own pace, so if they finish learning to read and spell, writing out the sight words for the pink list, they'll move on to the next list, practicing those at home and in the classroom. Have a great day and take good care of each other's hearts. Thanks.